Hey AD. Oh, not AD. Come on in. Welcome to Skcript. Hi, I'm Swati. This is Karthik. We run Skcript. We've been doing it for over a decade now. And a couple of those years, he's been my husband as well. We have so much to share with you. Come on, let's jump right into the video.
What's one thing that users never realize about using a software?
That actual people really spend time to make that software. I think maybe us as Indians, I know I'm going to get a lot of hate online. We tend to think that anything that you can't touch and feel is free. Like software is free, downloading music is free, downloading movies is free, but a lot of thought, a lot of hard work went into this. So yes, it does make sense some of the time to actually pay for software.
What one career advice you completely disagree with?
That you should jump between companies to get raises, and I still think it's okay to dedicate your career to one company as long as you're growing and you're being respected.
As a co-founder, do you prefer perfection or shipping fast?
No, I prefer perfection, no matter this guy right here who likes to ship fast. I think when you tend to ship fast without the right reasons, you end up redoing that. So I think it's better to spend a lot of time planning, double the amount of time planning than in you writing that code and shipping things out. So perfection.
Okay. What's one decision that changed your life?
Marrying the right person who I'm comfortable with.
That's nice. If you have 100 crores today, literally 100 crores, where do you want to spend it?
In terms of the company, 50% of it will go into research and development and long-term investments. Because I think it's very important, especially coming from a country which is not so known for its one-of-a-kind research and development facilities in the world. Like that's where my investment will go in. And even if one idea out of it works out, then the remaining 50% goes into that as well.
What's your biggest productivity hack that actually works?
Working out of Starbucks in a place where nobody knows me and letting me be alone with my thoughts.
How do you stay focused when you're coding?
It's easy to stay focused if you actually love something. But for those days where it gets a little too much, I always try to picture the end product in someone else's hands, like someone using that product. I think that's what sparks that creativity again, and then you just end up working.
What's your worst habit that you're still trying to fix?
My sleep.
What's one developer habit that everyone should copy?
Developers are notoriously efficient, but I think behind that efficiency is convenience. We like to make everything convenient. So if there's something that we notice in our lives that we're repeating too many times, we will automate it, we will hand it off to someone else, or just do something that makes just sitting and doing nothing so easy to do, because everything in your life is automated. I think that's something that a lot of people can learn from developers.
How do you decide what's worth your time every day?
Being a founder, you don't decide or control your time. Everyone controls your time. So it is a matter of picking everything on your plate and then figuring out how to unblock others' time with your work.
What's something all founders make mistake out of spending money on?
Marketing the unfinished product. I feel like it's borderline cheating the customer and selling thin air.
How do you keep learning without burning out? Do you learn every day?
Without burning out, I don't think learning is what causes me to burn out. I think doing something which I don't like doing or doing something repetitive is what burns me out. But learning something new, discovering something, that never burns you out if you like what you're doing.
Do you think hustle culture is overrated?
I think hustle culture is definitely overrated. And you need to hustle when you need to hustle, not all the time. That's what causes burnout.
This is a video for another time, because this is not the person that he was a couple years ago.
Having kids changes everything.
Damn right.
What's something people think is easy, but actually it wasn't?
And we have to cut this. We have to redo it. I'm so sorry. I didn't get there until the end. Is it okay? Can we cut it and come again?
Yeah, okay.